Another Wednesday, another mental scramble. Did I pay the daycare invoice? Was today the deadline for the field trip fee? Or was that last week? And the question that haunts every parent by 5 p.m. Did I miss something important buried in one of these 40 unread emails? If your inbox feels like a graveyard of unread deadlines, you're not alone. If your bank account has ever taken a late fee hit, not because you didn't have the money, but because you simply forgot, this video is for you. For months, I thought I had it together, until one afternoon proved otherwise. I was buried under school payment reminders, bill due dates, and permission slips, always one notification behind. That coordination chaos was quietly eating hours of my week and dollars off my bank balance. I was living in that mess until I built a simple, artificial intelligence-powered routine that changed things. Not just how organized I was, but how calm my whole household felt. Today, I'll walk you through what worked for me. Just a quick heads up before we go further. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Results vary based on your effort, the tools you choose, and your own situation. These are illustrations, not guarantees. So do your own research before relying on any tool for real payments. Now, let's get into it. For me, it wasn't a slow realization, it was one stomach-dropping Tuesday. I was rushing my daughter out the door when my phone buzzed. A final notice from the utility company. I hadn't forgotten because we didn't have the money, I forgot because my brain didn't have the bandwidth. Somewhere between school emails, work deadlines, and everyday parenting, that bill slipped through the cracks. That same week, I found out my son's school had a fee deadline for a class trip, buried 3 paragraphs deep in a newsletter I never fully read. I missed it. He didn't get to go. Seeing his disappointment over something so preventable made it clear my system wasn't just inefficient, it was costing my kids moments they cared about. That was the night I decided something had to change. That night, staring at a pile of unopened mail, my first instinct was to download another calendar app or reminder list. I stopped myself. I already had too many tools I wasn't using consistently. What I needed wasn't another app to manage. I needed something to do some of the managing for me. I'd mostly heard artificial intelligence tools mentioned for work tasks, writing emails, drafting reports. That night, I wondered if the same technology could help with household chaos too. I didn't try to overhaul everything at once. My rule: pick one annoying task tonight and let artificial intelligence take a first pass at it. That shift from "I have to remember everything" to "artificial intelligence can help me catch this" is where it started for me. So, my first target was the 6-page school newsletter, PDF, where crucial dates hide like Easter eggs. Here's what I tried. I copied the newsletter text into a free artificial intelligence chatbot and gave it a specific instruction. Read this school newsletter and pull out every important date, payment deadline, and form I need to sign. Organize it into a checklist, ranked by urgency. Within seconds, I had a cleaner list. Field trip fee due in 5 days, high urgency. Picture day, moderate. Parent-teacher sign-up, low. It felt like relief. I went a step further and asked it to format those dates as a calendar file I could import. One click, and the deadlines were in my phone with reminders attached. That small win, at least for me, showed the idea had potential. Feeling encouraged, I turned to recurring bills and school payments next. My approach had 2 parts. Step 1. For fixed recurring costs, like tuition or daycare fees, I set up Autopay where it made sense. So memory wasn't the weak link. For bills with amounts that change month to month, I tested reminder and tracking apps instead. Tools like Timely Bills or Pocket Guard are examples that let you log or sync a bill and flag the due date, so it doesn't rely purely on memory. Your mileage may vary depending on the app and your bank's setup, so do your own research before connecting any financial accounts. Step 2 was catching what Autopay couldn't: one-off school fees Activity payments, irregular costs. Scan-based apps helped here. Tools like Snap Reminder are examples that let you photograph a bill or form, and the app attempts to read it and set a reminder. I found this useful as a backup, not a guaranteed catch-all, so I still skim originals when I can. If this system sounds useful for your household, stick around, because the next part covers what happens when these tools start working together. The real bottleneck wasn't bills or newsletters individually, it was the volume of everything hitting me at once, scattered across email, texts, and apps that didn't talk to each other. This is where I moved from individual tools to something more connected. I experimented with an artificial intelligence assistant tool. I used one called Ollie AI that connects to email and calendar and can flag things like an outstanding bill or upcoming fee before you open your inbox. For phone call heavy admin, school enrollments, insurance claims, appointment scheduling, I also tried Kali AI, an artificial intelligence assistant tool designed to help manage or place some of those calls. Keep in mind, these are examples of the category of tool, not endorsements of guaranteed performance. Test any assistant tool carefully before trusting it with sensitive tasks like calls or payments. The first time this combination worked well for me, a school fee deadline I hadn't seen yet had already been flagged and added to my calendar. A genuinely useful moment, though not something I'd expect to work perfectly every time. So what does life look like now? The background panic has eased. Most mornings, instead of scrolling a messy inbox, I get a short summary pulled from what these tools sorted overnight. My own version of a family daily brief. It looks something like this. Tuition auto-paid, no action needed. Field trip fee due in 3 days, flagged high priority. Soccer registration form scanned, reminder set for Friday. Insurance renewal confirmed. A few lines, and most of the day's admin load is visible before I've left the kitchen. It's not flawless. I still double-check important items myself. None of these tools replaced my judgment, they reduced how much I had to remember on my own. That shift from reacting to deadlines to starting the day a bit ahead of them wasn't about becoming more disciplined, it was about building a system that shared the remembering with me. Artificial intelligence didn't replace me as a parent, it gave me backup on the unglamorous stuff. Bills, deadlines, school payments, that eats hours and causes real stress when it slips. Start small. Pick one task this week, set up Autopay on one bill, or scan one form into a reminder app and build from there. You don't need the whole system at once to feel some relief. If practical artificial intelligence systems like this are useful to you, subscribe to Income Stack Lab. We break down setups like this regularly for people who don't have hours to spend testing every new tool that comes out. All links to the tools mentioned are in the description below. Some links may be affiliate links, and we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps our lab keep running. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.